open like. I don't have the GPS.
I'm going to the left.
This is. I don't know.
Right cabin.
Why you don't know? Come on, chillins. I bet they do.
Is this your cabin?
I think so.
You think so? At school, we built log cabins.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You did too?
Build a whole log cabin. We didn't build that single fake. Very small, right? Look at the other backpack that was in the car.
I'll be back. I'll come back out. Nisha,
Yeah,
grab that stand for me that fell. Dope. Got the little bonfire situation. Oh, see no bugs. No, you gotta get the code. Let me see. Is it clean?
it's green.
Is it warm?
Rails.
It was like, yeah, let me feel it.
Looks clean.
It looks warm, but it's kind of cold. The heater probably ain't turned on.
What is that?
It's water. It's a jacuzzi. Yeah, when you use it. Melinda, get down. Melinda. It clearly says right there, do not climb or lean on rails.
What's a rail?
And you gonna jump on it.
What's a rail? This one?
This is a rail. Do not lean on it or climb on it.
It said do not sit, climb, or lean.
Correct.
It's not haunted. Just look like a cabin.
Make sure you unlock the windows too.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
You can put me up.
I will.
You gotta force me up.
As bright as it get.
There. This is nice.
Yes, it does. Let's try to find some lights.
The lights are right there. It's just
I see these lights. I don't know where the switch is at.
exercise refrigerator.
Oh, there we go.
This refrigerator's empty.
Wait.
Ooh, that's scary.
No. The refrigerator's empty. Look. Then you go buy food.
Hmm?
Yeah. You just got buy.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna go to the grocery store. What's up?
Down there's for real. I don't see the basement. There's a basement?
Mm-hmm.
No, check the upstairs.
I like these steps though. Let's fly. Man, this is big. Oh.
Guys, there's a bathroom right here.
Cowboy. Oh, I got the pool table going on. Y'all walking around in the dark. Oh yeah? Got the game, the TV. Does it?
The shower kind of
It
looks
feel
like
good.
Mom.
It feel good down
The
here.
shower looks like Mom.
I don't know how I feel about them being down here.
No, what? You go upstairs and check out? Yes.
It's cool. Oh, this is dope.
This me and Mom.
one that knowing David right there and Misha right there. Don't.
Right. Oh, this is dope. They locked the closet. That's weird. I like this bed though. I like the whole spot. It's dope. I like everything. They got a bathroom down here. Oh, this is it's not a bathroom. This is laundry room. Pool table. What's this? Oh, the bathroom over here. Okay. Y'all got 4 people in here, over here. Misha. Watch out. I mean, you can pick whatever room you want, but I'm just saying. There's 4 beds in here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then got 2 upstairs.
Ooh, Misha. Oh wait, is he picking wrong?
Yeah, y'all pick your own. That's enough.
I got a share room.
I'm about to do this one.
You don't have to, no. You want to sleep upstairs? Sleep upstairs. I suppose this is cool. Oh, I got this little. Oh, that's dope. Who in there? Oh. This is cool. Everything's solid. Woo-wee. This is nice.
I didn't know this room existed.
Y'all got mad rooms with no people that's gonna be in it?
Mad rooms. Invite somebody. Tell one of your friends to come on.
I ain't got no friends.
You look like you ain't got no friends. Why you out here no sock, no shoes on? Dirty sock people. You be quiet. What y'all doing? Ain't even no light out here. Oh my god.
Ooh, it's red, my favorite color.
Let me see.
Oh, it's rainbow. It changed colors.
No, we're gonna keep it white. What's it like?
But I like
Cause it's brighter.
it.
Well, I guess it
changed to
ain't.
White only.
Never mind. How hot is it?
Well, you can change it, but it can't go. It says not to put it no higher than 180. I mean 140. 104. 104.
Keep it at 94.
That's warm.
Well, it's warm now. What do you mean?
Yeah, because it was at 100.
It's fine. Just keep it. Oh, you got the jets on. Y'all got to take this green thing all the way off.
Okay, these are my only pajama pants, so I'm just about to go change my pants.
Whatever.
Huh?
I said whatever.
Whatever.
Y'all out here living y'all best life, ain't you?
Got the bubbles.
Hey, somebody's farting, can't tell.
It feels good.
I know. Is it warm?
The
You
J's
can
and
change
everybody
the
from every
color.
I know.
They don't know where the
It feels good. I will go there tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
This is fun.
Ooh, change it to rainbow.
There's no
They ain't got no light over here.
Nuh-uh.
I changed
But this is the light that we have, and I want to turn off that light right there.
No, you're not
Oh,
turning
yeah,
off
it's
no
on rainbow.
lights.
Why not?
Cause I said so. It
These
is.
will
Gotta
be
be.
dark.
Yeah, it's on rainbow.
Right. Ain't
Don't
gonna be
touch
none of
it.
that.
Don't touch it. No.
Ooh, it's pitch black out there.
Have a warmer. I walked it.
I would fight.
What did you
That's
turn
how you
the
walk
jets
before.
on? This is crazy.
Y'all tripping.
The jets are
No,
bad.
you can put your drinks right here. I don't think any more people could fit in this hot tub. Yes, you could. One can sit right here. One can sit right here.
Why you
Sit
touching
right
stuff?
One can sit
I
where
love
Misha's sitting.
bubbles.
One right there. One right there.
I just turned it up higher.
Why would you do that? Keep it at that. That kind of thing.
Look at this glorious morning. Beautiful view. What's that noise? Why y'all leave that TV on all night? Oh. Be right back. I'm going to get the scissor up. Look who up early in the morning trying to cook. cooking with your shirt off for? This ain't baby boy. This guy. The size of this deck is crazy. Linda, as usual, leaving her stuff outside. Got your little stars, you popping. Trail entrance, begin one-way foot traffic. They both the same way. Come on.
No, that's 4 miles. That's 1 mile.
We're gonna reach the old man's cave first, bro. Come on.
Okay. 1 mile means 1 mile.
Bear better worry about me. Oh, that is dope.
I'm gonna throw my water bottle on him.
That is dope.
Can I?
No, what you mean? Why would you throw your water bottle?
That's cool for real. Let's go there. Guys, let's go there.
Come on, let's go there. Noah said let's go there.
Let's keep going. I'm hiking.
We're all hiking. Girl, if you don't stop, I'm
Making noise.
gonna catch you with these hands. You hear me?
I ain't gonna do nothing.
Think and play, I'm taking stars off your face.
Y'all wearing some Yeezys. These better Yeezy
What's wrong with
boots.
Yeezys?
Yeezy
These are the hiking Yeezys.
Those definitely aren't. These
Well,
are
don't fall. That'd be a good idea.
my little Yeezy boots. I brought stuff that was actually made for hiking. I
Oh.
don't take fall damage, so
I heard an animal.
if I were to fall, it wouldn't hurt me because I'm him.
Ah, get away from that edge.
Yeah, go ahead and do that.
Y'all goofy. Ah, David, no. Get back.
Mom, let's jump there.
Get back. Oh, heck no. Wow, they ain't got no railing or nothing.
Let's go there.
What if I fell?
You're gonna be hurt. All right. Whoa, killer. I'm not coming up there, so how you gonna do that? I got bad back. What you want, your phone?
Yeah.
Bro, why ain't you just take it with you? Hold on.
I can go up the rock. I don't think you're gonna go up that rock.
I can go up the rock.
Trees are blocking though.
Huh?
We don't have anything in the
Trees
car
are
with.
blocking.
Hold on, here. You don't think I can get up that rock?
That rock
Don't
looks
do
like
that.
it's gonna fall.
Shut up, here. Hold this.
We're not talking about this
rock.
road, not at that angle. I'm talking about over there.
Oh, let me see.
Trash under the
Get down, boy.
This is easy. This is simple. We talking about right here.
What? This?
This rock.
Why would I go up that rock? It's slippery.
Exactly. VJ was trying to go up on.
No. Come on, let's go. Before y'all hurt yourself.
It feels like. Look at this.
I see. Wait a minute. Wait for me.
I think it can slide.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Is it nice? Yes, it will. Go ahead and get down there. You can go this way. It's easier. All right, let me put my... That's dope. Yeah, I'm going to take a picture from down here of us up there.
Don't be with your fancy camera on there. And you're still just sitting there holding the water.
Come here, Noah. Let me see. It hurt.
Hopefully not. That would probably be bad.
Do you guys have buses? Keep your sock off. Keep your sock off.
It is?
That doesn't help right now.
We ain't got no bug spray in the car. The barb is not in there. That's what I was seeing.
He got. Let me see.
I don't think it's still in there.
No.
So, like, after these, I would get him
He
some
also got stung.
Yeah. He got him down. He stepped in the.
Yeah. He set us all. He set us all up. I didn't even deserve it.
Oh, buddy.
Yeah, he set
Hey, bro, you only got stung once.
How many times you get stung?
0, because I'm smart.
Really? Because you smart?
Benadryl will help with that does hurt. That hurts a lot.
I'll go get some as soon as we look.
Yeah.
I'll go get some after we leave. Okay, let's just. No, I told them to stay put and they walked away. That was
Well, a
problem.
good lesson in how
It's
to
okay.
listen.
It's okay. We'll get some Benadryl when we leave, and we'll get some spray and stuff.
Let me carry you, Noah.
We'll go by the store, okay? What are those?
What's that?
Leaf.
What does it do?
Where's your beasties?
Up here.
No.
To help. These leaves are edible,
Okay.
so you can chew on them and get the saliva going.
Okay.
Burns.
Feel better, Noah? Yes? You're not crying no more. It's gonna sting for about 2 more minutes.
Oh no, my good brother. But thank you.
David, how you feel?
I got stung 2 times in the back
You
of my
don't
head.
you don't sting? You didn't get stung? You smart?
Yeah, we both smart. That's what I'm talking about. We ain't
Y'all
get
both
swing.
ran
No.
and left y'all fellow siblings. And left y'all fellow
warned
siblings
them.
to get
I warned
stung.
them.
I didn't even win. I was staying with mom.
Oh, okay, so you listen to mom?
I warned them and said there was a beehive twice and they ain't moved south. Yeah.
Whatever.
I don't know. Y'all making me itch.
Melinda, you ain't get stung either?
No, because they
we
told
all
me to come up
sweat.
there 5 seconds after they got stung.
No, she just ain't go up there because she was scared.
And no, because I was scared I was going to get dirty.
Appreciate it.
How you feel, Amir? You better?
Slightly.
Let's go then. Come on.
Devil's bathtub.
Tony, he picked this place.
I didn't pick this.
Who picked it?
All y'all.
I didn't even know we were going to this. Be careful, David.
Is that an obstacle course?
Yeah, something like that. Y'all better not fall. Okay. This is different. Whoa. Say what?
Did we go grab another one?
Be careful, get shoe up. It's saliva, not that.
Excuse me. Don't fall.
I didn't even see no water. Where's the water?
We ain't got to it yet. Come on.
I ain't never had
That's lost milk.
I know.
Where's the right one?
I don't know.
We don't have a pencil or a marker.
Oh, yeah.
That would suck.
I'm going to have to put you out.
I'll be washed,
Pay attention, David. See
man.
what I'm saying?
Y'all have to keep killing you every day. That's not necessary.
Noah, David. Stay close to me.
Underneath. Turn your light on.
I ain't got no light. Go,
Turn
go.
the light.
Ooh,
Turn on the light.
ooh. I ain't got no light.
Okay.
Ooh.
I don't like it. Ah!
Thou shall not pass.
You better get out of my way for catch these. For thou catch these hands.
That wasn't even scary.
Okay.
It wasn't there. It was scary. I didn't know I was getting myself into. Like, what is this?
Okay. Okay. Whew.
Like, y'all know what's the meaning of this.
Me neither. I'm hungry again.
I bet you will.
Okay, that's a nice
Lower
bit.
fall. Oh. This is old man's cave, actually. Let's get some lower water. Okay. All
The
right.
water is this way. Ooh wee. That's a long way. Oh, okay. Jesus. Let's go. Come on, stop being lazy.
Hey, what?
Ooh, it's dark.
Somebody got some value
My heart beating all fast.
That's what it's supposed to. Cardio is the key.
I didn't ask for cardio. I know I'm fine, Jim.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, take the kids. I see light. Go.
Come on.
Go.
Come on, little lazies. I would have heard people yelling by now. That was the
Let's
case.
pick the steps. I can't even see the steps. Okay.
I can't hear myself.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Put the light on.
You can't turn the light on. Ain't no light.
Hold on. There we go. I can see now. Okay. Oh, boy. Okay, we made it.
You can go even higher up.
No.
I thought you was afraid of heights.
Why ain't bring no bag of ice?
Affect the poison from the leaf, so then the poison nullifies the poison.
Dad, behind you.
Yeah, I see.
How we go home? No, see.
I know, right? Woo. This is dope. Y'all want to take one over there?
Everything burns.
A picture?
It doesn't burn as much as my leg does. It looks the heart.
I know. What? Okay. Come on.
Hold on. Give me your line. Oh my God.
Woo. Come on, children. Let's go. Let's go. Jesus. I ain't tired. Woo! That boy in shape. Look at her. Hold on. She's back there. She exhausted. Look at her. Come back to save you. I sent him. I sent him to save you. Look at Melinda tired. They need to fix this. Oh, it's solid still.
Oh no.
I don't like these steps. I don't either. I just said that. I don't like these steps. Nah. Okay. Okay. You ain't tired, is you? You need some more water?
Never tired.
Okay, let's go. Calm down, little fella. Feed some of the little ones, David. Look, give him some love.
Is that the little one?
Little ones down there. Look, down there.
All the little ones are fighting. I can't fight.
Girl, what is you yelling for?
I'm sorry. I don't like it.
Get away from me. Look at the horns on this one. Jesus. Look at them. Oh, look at them pointy things. That's real big dog. Look.
Shoot up spider.
Man, why you licking on me?
I like this though.
Look, they tired.
Maybe just
They're wondering why we
What's up, buddy?
now. Look.
Oh. It's over now. Put the Mortal Kombat music on.
What y'all think about the win?
Mortal Kombat music.
I don't know. Uh-oh. What you gonna do? Go.
I'm not hot enough. I want to.
Look at his horns. He got the unique joints. These are dope.
Any girl.
Hey. Listen to me. Hey. He's not listening. Hey. Leave me the hell alone. Don't he? Look, eat that. Eat that. Forget you need a pump.
What is this? A sheep or something? Or not a pocket?
Yeah. Back up off me.
It feels like a blanket. It's like a blanket. Yeah, I know.
I like their little horns. Look at this dude. He's chilling.
Too big.
Look at him. Y'all just walking over him.
This is a very, very small.
Look at.
Very focused in its natural habitat. Flipping burgers. Man, you're frying right now. You're not grilling nothing. He's frying something. He's not grilling nothing.
Melinda, come on.
I'ma eat it, but
Melinda,
yeah.
come on.
Go see what these kids doing. Look, them little water balloons. Well, if you don't get on somewhere.
What? So what? So we start.
Don't do that. Hey, don't start by me. I put all y'all on punishment.
I tell you, put it all of us in person.
Yes.
I'll just count to 1.
Count to 5 and then y'all disperse. But let me get out the way. Why would you put them in there? Melinda, what are you doing?
18, 17,
No, because that's from our room. No.
13, 12, 11,
Why y'all ain't put no shoes on and go in the woods?
7,
Don't go by that grill. Don't go by that grill.
Don't do it.
Oh!
Everyone.
Americans, everyone. Because he got y'all.
This is
Like you got splashed.
everyone's in the team except for
Oh, almost.
I'm getting my get back. Move, I ain't do nothing.
Oh, she mad. And go out there. Hey, kids. I know y'all having fun. How about y'all go down there? Because y'all rocking the whole shebang.
There's so many small balloons.
And y'all better clean up these balloons too.
natural so fun.
Say what?
Doing something natural so fun.
Whatever that means.
This is natural.
Yes.
It would have been safer.
Doing that's natural. Hiking
This
is
is not the stuff. We are out here in the wilderness, thugging it out and making s'mores.
Yes, thugging it. Give me my crackers. Hold on, let me get it. I want it burnt more.
Fire.
I want it burnt more.
Come here.
I want mine chocolate. Okay, there we go.
Let's watch this.
Where you going, London? You got another one you can get.
Here.
I might go get that fewer.
This bugs.
Here, you can have this one. I'm only getting one.
This bugs keep following me.
Cool.
I want all my marshmallow. I want all my marshmallow on there.
Awesome.
You don't know what you're doing here.
Well, shut up.
What?
Amisha, you want your second one?
Ew! That burnt my face.
That's gonna be hell to clean.
I mean, we can just throw those. We can just put those in the dishwasher, right?
Yeah, but I don't know if it's gonna be clean.
Good, David.
Ew.
What was that? Oh, that's a marshmallow.
Thought I was a messy eater.
You are.
Yes.
Wait, Amisha, you pulling too fast. say that for?
You know,
Misha,
broke
you're
your.
aggressive.
I'm barely even moving.
Oh, there you go.
Here you go.
It ain't melted enough. That's all. The problem is, gotta get that thing dark, black, melted. You hear me? It's all good now.
Thank you.
Yeah. Just up together. Go ahead.
Can I eat?
Oh, now he came at you like that, though. He came at you rough, bro. He said, can he eat?
Oh, if I push through that fire.
Can he eat, my guy?
Need some more logs. Trying to put the fire. Whew.
That's
No,
not round.
round. Get one. There you go. There, get your vitamins. You get your vitamins, Deej. Hurry up, cause you got bit by a wasp. It'll help.
Bit by a wasp?
Okay.
Stung by a wasp. You get your vitamins?
Wait, more
You get your sea moss?
I stole a baby spoon, but I lost it.
Get your sea moss then.
Ooh, this tastes disgusting.
How much are you supposed
Get
to
one.
get?
David.
You said get
David. Get your sea moss. You get sea moss already? Let it cook. Boy, eat the goddamn sea moss, Bobby.
Can we just take this spot?
Come on, get your suitcases, everybody. Put your stuff in your suitcase. About to go. What?
Dad.
Are these our containers?
No, so.
No.
Huh? Yeah, we're gonna put the stuff in there. Shoes. Or slides or whatever you're wearing. Yeah, it's on. We'll get my suitcase actually. Glorious morning.